Hey guys, so on my Dewalt DW 735 planer, I noticed this exhaust. It hooks on here with a has a hole here that attaches here, and a little depressed pin that holds it in place. But mine broke off a few months ago, so I added a little hot glue, and it held it in place. But that gave up. So what I did, I'm going to drill a hole here and here and see if I can get a little more life out of this part before I replace it. Let me know if this has happened to you. I'm not sure what caused it, but I use this planer pretty heavily. So all I've done is drawn a line, lining it up with the two pins on the planer. And with my awl, I started a little hole. So we'll see what we got. Try to drill a hole. Well, I guess it helps when you tighten this thing. Okay, so now we've got two clean holes. Let's see if we measured correctly. See if it fits. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this hole in that we just drilled. So that's in. There's a little pin there. For the other side, you just have to push that pin in. Let's see if we can wiggle this around to get that pin to come out. Hard to do one-handed. There it goes, it locked in. It doesn't snap, but yeah, that's locked in now, so that engaged. That's a quick fix. You don't want to spend, I have no idea how much this is, but like this is the old picture where they wore out. This is what I did. Let me know if you've had to fix this before, because I think it's probably because I don't have a great quick clamp. So I've got this hose which has a clamp around it. I think what I'll do is get the magnetic 4-inch and then have a magnetic 4-inch connected to that, so it's real easy to connect next time so I don't have to play with it. I would expect that to extend the life of that. Let me know your thoughts. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks.